This chicken piccata pasta is one of my favorite recipes to make when I have guests over for dinner or if I'm having a busy weeknight and want to eat something delicious and filling. The first step to make the chicken piccata pasta is to prep the chicken. So pound it flat with either a roller or a hard pan and sprinkle it with some salt and pepper. I started with chicken tenders because they cook evenly and they're smaller, so they cook pretty fast. So in a medium to hot pan, add the chicken and brown each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, you want to remove the chicken, set it aside because you're going to add it back in the end. So the next step is to add in the roasted tomatoes. They're raw when you add them in, of course, and then in just a couple of minutes they start to wrinkle and you take them out of the pan. Then mix in some garlic and shallots to the pan, still on medium, and add in the white wine and lemon juice. Now always use fresh lemon juice because the kind that comes in a container tastes a little metallic in this. You want it to be fresh. So this is starting your sauce, and you add in the butter, and it looks and it smells absolutely delicious. Toss in the capers and the tomatoes and toss in some fresh pasta. I use some egg pappardelle pasta. You can use any type of pasta you'd like. Then add the chicken back into the pan. Stir it around so all of the dish is coated with that white wine and lemon sauce. Then add some Parmesan cheese, parsley, and lemon. This is a complete meal in itself. It's absolutely delicious. I'm craving it again just looking at it here. But you could always serve it with some crusty bread, or it would be great paired with a fresh salad. I hope you have a wonderful time making this chicken piccata pasta. It's so beautiful, and I'd love to see what you created. Don't forget to tag me at sipbitego. For more delicious recipes to make, especially if you're a busy person but you still want to eat really well, I have plenty of recipes for families and recipes that allow you to make things that you never thought were possible, like making delicious pizza at home. Don't forget to visit sipbitego.com. I hope you enjoy your chicken piccata pasta. Cheers!